Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So right now you see me in a one cave. And you see this is something run like corner this side about me now find out. You understand? If you're brave, I want to find out. You're free to go look. But boom! I the new movie now. The one named Man Shark, you understand? Yeah man, a 3 girl and a 1 man and I'm a shark down the man. So a man shark in here. You see me? Big up to everybody watching thing. Hope you love and enjoy. You understand? Yo, peace out, big up all of the actor, them actors. You all know yourself in the man. Blessings, all of my subscribers. Love you. Yo, see if you come with that. Come on.
Man, set good in the mirror, no go look more over some man, sure.
My lipstick they not set good already, girl. I'm a finger, me a few use with you. But this one here.
A purple lipstick I wear too? Yeah, this one and you just open your...
Some of them must up.
Go on now, man, sure. You want one?
Yeah, I don't want to go look at that, the boy there, so. I want to go too.
Alright, share.
Put your head look at some man. Me shorter than you, make me not bend
And I
down.
told him, man, I want one out, I told him.
But I thought we are going to go look for him.
Yeah, and you want one in the mirror, not true?
Of course. We want to set up for him. Then you chop the pan black. You have to get something.
Then see me I try black you out. Come, hurry up.
Me have to tell you so me short already. I can't go over, I can't look over you, Yannick. You are ready before me. Hurry up. Yannick, this is a
Fine, go over now, chow.
Me a go over. You can't just stand tall and me look over my head now.
Me tired, me no want to look.
See a man me a set up for go look.
Falan,
Man,
I
I
say
say
like you know. Me want somebody to love and me want somebody to love me. You just offer
Love?
them money.
It's just a phrase we always say. So love is a big rock gonna stumble down one hill.
Me can't bother with fear.
Money don't stumble down hill.
Me can't
Money
bother
can
with
go up
fear.
hill.
So you don't want love?
If you come, me come, and if you come, me take it.
When me spray it, cause every time I take up me spray, me can't.
Go use the beer gun, come. Me don't know where you spray then.
Can't look, use beer gun if you look for man.
You use it, me don't have to use it. Since me use your spray and your spray done, you use the beer gun.
Every time.
Give me some ice spray. You find
I not get none. I do that.
You find the spray and you want. Give me some ice spray. I don't want to smell nice too.
Ready?
Yes, me ready and I see me ready and waiting.
Come on, I no trouble me
I
spray.
can't stand
No trouble me
me
spray.
heels. Come on, some of my man money. Come on.
Everything I man money. You can't.
Everything
just
I love
yeah,
for
but
you.
look.
You have to go
somebody
pop
to
out, you know,
love.
Yannick. You have to go pop
Come
out.
on, man.
Yo, Wagwan. Yeah man, I piece of work me call about. Yes, live not kaya go pani. But me there, me run a me yard man. Alright, just call me. And me call link you in town. Alright. Yeah man. Good. Yes, me get the piece of work here now.
Chocolate.
Wagwan.
I go on the road, go let my friend them and come back.
Yeah man, and look here now. Just take a little time and take care of yourself on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Later.
Can take care of myself and take care of female. That's a good look. Not good.
Wait there. I see my boy dropping in place. I'm there right next door to him. I'm short him and see what I go. Yo, talk so good, man.
Boy, I'm saying I place, brother.
I saw me here. And guess what? You know, somebody right out on the front there.
Alright.
Good, good. But they right next door to you, man. One white and yellow shop, man. But they right there, someone.
Alright, what's your name, man?
Yeah. Alright, me do your foot, man. Just do your thing. Me I wait for you.
Alright, brother.
So, brother, I couldn't show up, man, and tell me, say, they're in a place.
Boy, we just circling properly, man. We just land, you know?
Right, man. I understand. But me there, man. So, forward, man. Alright.
Apple pasta say Nick.
We are going to turn up here for
Apple pasta so no. True. So let's put a big fat one go tree ya. And the tree big now.
You don't think you can pass it, Falan?
Then can't pass it. Should I go up on the side and see me first?
See which part of it?
You can't pass it. I go up on the dung in this or somewhere else but the place I put the next girl then.
Yeah, you could over there for you.
So we could over there too. If you over there, so why we can't over there?
Yeah,
we are go over there.
In a party.
And when day we have to go there par with him.
Boy, Falan, suppose when him pass with one girl.
That could have never be. He might not mad somebody. You know see how much cuttings around here so. You know see how much things can go on for him. He can't just get catch so quick. I'm not seeing it.
I want to see him up close and personal.
I hope he not spend all the money on the girl him down the road, you know. And by the time he reach, me no get none.
Falan, you come back with the money thing again.
You not worry about more money, worry about love. In love now go done.
You can't bother with you.
The money easy if you done.
Money. Eh?
Money. Cheddar, greens, callaloo. That
Right
me a
now,
defend.
That the man there, you don't want no tighty girl. We have to go
So
buy
if he come in and go and keep
eyelash and then something. So I want a simple
Somebody if
girl.
you come with me head dry.
You know if you come with a head dry, Falan.
But
You look here, me can't bother with you, man. Everything, a money. I mean, not gonna make no man come between me and you. Me and
you know say that we bother with me same way, cause no matter what you always bother with. But we just deal with the matter. Zin, we know what we depend on.
You have nasty style. Cockroach behavior you have.
Me beard with Ariel Fab.
You know, what's up? Yesterday I didn't
can't
the man
pass
pass, you know.
So you see him pass, me glad say you never stay there, see him by yourself. Me glad say me and you come round here.
Fella, look here, we can't make the man come between you, you know.
You don't want him come between you. You want love, you want money.
But if me get him, you're supposed to happy for you.
Who mind me getting
Man,
to?
money.
And plus the
I'm not
money.
happy for you same way, Falan.
Britney!
I want to you.
You want to hear what I talk about?
What we did that?
What we are talking about? See, I'm done here and deaf. You deaf?
Tell her again, Falan.
About money and man and me in a it too.
You don't have man.
Me no business. Me in a it too. What I talk about?
Nasa! That's so good it come at you.
So you hear about money
When
ready
you
to
come
let
out and
a
all these
man.
things.
She has some lollipop.
Don't do that.
Bo, she want jam.
Britney, you have your man.
That's why Bam Bam.
I want to talk about, look here. You don't have to know about that. We not talk about.
Me no go talk, you go talk, Yannick. But we not business today. If you want to come in, you come in.
Yeah, me ready.
That's why Bam Bam, me just a lollipops of Britney.
I hear business, I hear money buy.
Me not business, I sit and go down to Chingom.
Britney, me think you did better than that though. Why you want cheat
So
on your
egg
man?
she
with
want
somebody
in
you
her
don't
red.
know? Eh? As a hear about money, you ready to jump in at this, not true?
You not give me as much money.
And who me no want to share, me even want to talk. You not talk too much.
You not go want what me more want.
You know, so I seen walk going down there so earlier.
You want to go walk, go look
So
if you
probably
see.
you could have walk one.
Me not trust on you, you know.
The
Me not
man
trust
walk
you.
going down there so.
He walk
Alright.
down for true.
I over there for me
Alright.
and fall and they go, but we are waiting for somebody.
We are wait for something.
You go look.
Too enough.
She have her man and boy she want. As she about
I
man.
come and suck Bam Bam.
Make she go. La fall and she not even know the man and she gone look for man. Eh?
Adam, she never glimpse him, she never hear about him. She just, I wonder, he just jump out, come frightened with. So I been saying, you know, this a cocky ears a listen. How long you think he run there? He hear everything? Are you
She won't hear everything cause she gone.
And me talk about money. He hear money. I think couldn't hear for your love part.
You know,
I want
Britney-
love too.
If Britney I got cheat on her man for somebody where she don't know what she a doing love.
Make she go on
and
and make a
money
look.
she a run down.
Wild goose
Somebody
chase.
should have done there for kidnap her.
I hope a man pass before she'll come back.
My fella now wonder if we are waiting in vain. Look how long we can up here so the man can come and
Think we should have go people and look. Me no man.
you go and go peep.
Me not move from the big tree. Rotted. No man that. But fix up already. You say something. Hi. I just wanted to know where C Star Inn is.
Right there.
Oh, it's right there?
Yes.
Oh, I know I need to ask another direction. One second. You're moving so fast.
Come out here, son, now, sir.
He's just being so stubborn. Hi. How are you?
What's up?
It's not, I don't really want no directions. I just wanted to say hi and talk to you.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Alright. Nice to meet you, girls. You know
What is your name?
my name? Oh, my name is Scott.
Oh, my name is Falan. Kenya. Where are you going? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Where are you coming from?
So much question one time, Falan.
Alright, I'm just going down the road to link one of my friends, so I'll be on my way,
I
alright?
don't want to be too inquisitive. Which one of your friends?
Falan, I demand personal business.
Man or a woman?
Hey.
Don't
you guys
pair
just
no
have
A whole
nice
bunch
day,
of them?
alright? You can just have a nice day, alright?
No, listen, let me tell you something. We really need to get direction to go the direct place we want to go. So would it be okay to accompany you to where you are going? Then you can show us where we are going. And we can.
Alright, so where do you want to go now? Where do you want to go?
Catch a falling star.
Yes.
Catch a falling star.
Stars always fall over there.
Yeah.
Alright, I just came back in the place and I'm pretty sure it's down that direction. Same where I'm heading right now.
True.
Okay, so like how you going that way, we could just walk with you.
And you show us where it is.
No problem, you can come.
Okay. And if we don't find the place directly, we can just chill with you.
With me.
Yeah, with your
I don't
friends
know.
and where you're going.
But how not see nobody?
Where are you
Alright.
from? You have an accent.
Oh, no, I'm from JA, you know.
So why are you speaking so much and making me speak?
I've
So we
been,
can talk what then?
You can talk power.
All right.
I've been over from with a
Okay.
child, you know, so the accent comes naturally.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I can do the part too, you know. One, man, you know.
Yes, man. You know what you think.
But I know the thing, man.
Cause you want chop lad and say my go out. Yo fam, what going? You know, so you get to work and down go check you what do. You dey on the front, where you there? Alright, but then I saw you on you, see? Alright.
I'm a big idiot to me walk up and me know so me no know how the man look. Me gonna make a girl fool me and me walk up like an idiot. Me no know how the man look. What color and be if a white, brown or black or what. Me come up here. Me told them that day we do a man a walk. A musty man that. A affy man that. No me go down there. Stop. I want you.
You do what with Britney?
I don't want to make talk to no all rich now.
Are you reaching out this
Me
Britney?
think you gone by your business already.
Why
go chase?
Look here, me from morning me I look for you. Oh no,
Look for him.
tell me up there so we go look for him. When me look, me not see nobody.
Sir, come on, up here no mind. Come
Don't
on,
listen to
follow
her. Don't listen to her.
Brittany, go on home,
Yeah,
Brittany.
me for one. I hear me a walk and I look for from money.
Him and I go about
Oh,
his
you know
business.
see him.
Me I look for you, they say me gonna wait so go look for you because they want to take away from me.
Such you see with him, you know see him.
First of all, I don't belong to any of you girls, and I am going somewhere. So
Sir, remember you have to show us Catch a Falling Star.
Me I come too.
Brittany, go on home.
Me I come.
Falan, come on. Sir,
You see
walk
how
over
me
the
not
side.
try to say nothing too much.
Brittany,
You see how
Me
me
a
not try to
come.
say nothing too
you
much.
not belong
Well,
there.
she's enough today.
Falan,
You stay right here. You see, we never really want.
Don't touch me. Don't
Brittany, go
touch
on
me.
home.
Relax,
Go on
sir.
home.
Me
Sir, come on.
Come on.
Now where you hold me and where you not go on
Come
home?
over. Hello, let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Hello, look here.
Brittany,
Let
where
him
you
go.
not Falan alone?
Because the man for gone,
Me
Brittany.
no business if me can't get the man. None of
Who is you?
Brittany,
Who
where you
is
come
you?
from?
Who is you?
Are you first when you see him?
Who sent for you,
Are
Brittany?
you first when you see the man?
Me no business for them, but me want him.
Well, it makes sense when they tell her if you go down on our road. Because I know that you ain't going to turn that front
should
and
tell her.
the man, you know. Look how you make the man go.
You know what? Me I go and fight. Me no business with no one.
Pull him back, Falan. Go
Let
and
me
pull
go
him
look for the man.
Falan,
You
hey,
come back.
Let me go look for the
Where did
man.
they go?
No, it's
Yo,
you.
hello.
Brittany.
If me can't get him, Uno can't get him.
How
You're
you
not
coming
getting the
at
man,
this?
Stop
Brittany.
at me going about me business.
Brittany,
back.
let me go look for the man
back.
myself.
Falan.
Hello, where did they go? You come back.
Hey,
No, 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 relax. I see if you
You
never
not
come.
say man
Look,
gone.
look, a Brittany
Yeah,
make
tell
him
him
man
man
gone.
The
gone.
man gone.
Brittany, you're such a sabotage.
Hey, good luck paying him next time.
Hey, you know, so I get a bad luck.
We should have done section for a longer while goose
Falan,
chase.
you what? Now worry yourself. Come on. You, go so. Me I go so. Make him go now.
And me I come
Hey,
on,
go on
Brittany.
back so. Go on back so.
You know, we can't follow him and you know.
Follow too. Follow one man.
You know, see later, Falan.
One glimpse, me not glimpse him.
Hey.
See that Brittany the man gone. But you know, which way and turn. No, we are going to get to see him now again.
Cause then see they say them a go get him and me a go. But wait, the chair look good. Good hiding spot, man.
yo.
I did, man. 5 free now, man.
Yeah, hold it, man. So I chopped.
I see me there with one bridge and go check my house.
Boy,
Yeah.
I run, come and say you're not sick.
I say, yo, can I fire them? I say, that take about 10 minutes or so. Let's go 5 minutes and reach, man.
Yo, I have to pull up on the road. 2 girl link me dog.
So yeah, go on, man.
I don't mean I go and die. I must see fresh cologne and smell, you understand?
Man, Irish Spring and then style it.
Yo, right. Hey,
Yo,
I don't know if you do that, but yo, I never know say someone shot a yard, brother.
so much, girl. After you won.
Yes, brother.
Yo, you know, say I saw them girl that stay though. Is it you fresh off fire foreign?
Yeah.
And if you say I'll come money and I say my child say you can get off fire, you see me? You're there for a while, just watch and see. After you calm down, you'll see how fast they disappear.
Really?
Yo,
I'm feeling that and they look them and you know, cause you know everybody tick up and want to look like say, yo.
Yeah,
Say
I'm afraid
that the
that
girl
would
them
show
a pray,
me,
brother.
man.
And that I truth.
Sure, man, just wait, man.
Ja.
You see, as soon as you settle down,
Yeah.
and you feel say, alright, I got one of them girl,
Yeah.
go on to our next month. Remember me tell you this.
Why? What would they still do? Alright though.
Yeah, bro, as me say, I just stay up on my bridge, you see me? I'm going to do
So
you that one
I
now.
go and see. Me soon move to you know. So I can have something for them to soon move to you.
Yeah, I got there. I run back in the girl, them.
No man, let's take time and see if they did it. And something can...
Show them.
No man. Yo, see me here now man. Yeah man.
Yeah, wait for you, brother.
Why things said already man? I form your walk from me now.
That's me say, Eric, we're going to check one because we get you know. We're not going to start today though. So look on here and see what we can do next week.
I go think you go look in the car. I know you're getting in the car. One to the community now.
I say 3 grand a day too.
3 grand.
Yeah,
No bad. No bad.
To your man ever late, I have to call you from early but you can go walk.
You're not easy you know.
You know say I tell you things.
But anything otherwise, anything good?
Yeah man, there man. You know this man.
No, sir, I supposed to do this man.
Yeah man, I'm my boy for a long time man. Yo.
Eh?
Yeah man, I have 3 girls and a 5 man. Just touching that place. 3 girls.
3 girl.
Yeah,
You just come in that place.
Come here, show my proof. Say, yo, I can just fresh off my foreign, you see me?
That film they kind of know what.
My brother with me, my brother. Wait for it in the center after a while and just dash you on one spot.
One thing I can tell him, only thing tell him to save him money. Put your head for your body. Don't let loose. You see me? Because them girls they're terrible. You see me? I rose a 3 of them.
Great man. But you only tell me so name, probably know one of them too, you know.
Yeah.
How is it, brother?
You have to tell me one of them name. Fallon. And one name. Yeah, I don't remember the next one name.
But you know say I 3 of them.
I 3 of them I run me down, man.
But you don't know
Probably me see them face, me know them, but me not familiar with the name, you know?
I
Yeah, I run me down, brother. Watch out now. You know, I work for go match up.
Yeah, bro.
I go just see me can hide, go back room. Because I don't want to run me down like that. Yeah, I mean, do you think, man? Yeah, man. And keep your eye open, you see?
Yeah, my number still, just show me.
You link your brother.
Everywhere they want to you.
See a drone.
You that join her end up because she just a pop up so.
No, Yannick, come on, I don't want Britney back away, you know. I don't want Britney. Traumatize me, I don't want Britney back away. Yeah, what man
You know
shark?
go your yard, girl.
No, woman shark, huh?
No, Britney, you can't do it like that.
Me not understand how you have man and you dey run down money, man.
I hear business, more money.
Nobody
Bricks
never
pan
directly
bricks.
tell about the money.
I say, how you know say her money we are?
Me here, no.
You too
Me have
fast,
ears.
man.
Alright, so we
Never
have to stay and
work
wait
good.
for the man.
Me a wait for him too.
How
But
this
Britney
year?
just go
Me
on
a
your
wait
ways.
for him too. Me the
Balan,
business.
come we go over the phone.
Me a come too.
Oh, you up so?
No, man.
New plan, you done. Find out me and man.
Imagine, you make the man run away from with this money.
No
So if
business.
the man come to you, so you not go to.
Me the business. Who cares?
Yeah,
Bother
with
with your
Britney.
style, man.
She a real drone.
Girl, the money me a hunt. See, that how una hunt money, me a hunt money too.
We
Una
not have
Nobody
no-
never tell us that we are hunt money.
So me say me ears they not work good then.
I
I want me
thought
hear
you
up so.
Your ears them a
overheard.
deceive you. Fast, you blast it fast.
Too enough, man.
Stay there.
You make the man run from.
So if you
this
come
man
and start
and
see
you itch up
Britney
your
again, you
foot.
not go run away again.
Exactly.
All because of your man.
Yeah, go and tell man the why you in that first place.
He didn't want to.
What's that? What? Nata. Go boy in this yeah.
I can't believe that you're stopping. You should have just continued running.
After me run and tumble down.
You know, come past me on the same way, you could have just continued.
Nothing beat a try but a failure, you know.
But we go try again one next day. God no. I'm tired, man.
You run and tumble down, man. Can't take it.
Falan, hurry up now. I'm thirsty,
Can't
man.
open the door, Yannick. I'm nervous. I'm nervous bad.
You see that girl there when you Brittany and now an easy girl, you know?
It's coming like a wild goose chase. I know some office see the man there tomorrow, you know. My office see him.
What make you have to see him? Try not left out of the house tomorrow, yeah?
You can know, you
Me
know.
I go up on the road tomorrow.
You don't know when me a move. But I thought me have to go carry with me because I 2 hours same speed. Me have to go
me
just
no-
hide Brittany.
Me no want you back on me.
I'm ready, I know when I Yannick.
Alright, I go put on this and
I'm ready, I know. Me a go left you.
Nobody go left me Falan. Me a
Yeah,
come,
take
man.
too long, me ready. Me done fix up.
I just let me I go like this, you know.
Me as me see you, hold on.
That's something that give me problem, Chuck. Let me phone there. Falan.
Yannick, stay till me come back.
What? Falan, Falan, open the door. Hey, me can't. Falan. Open the door, no Falan.
Yannick, stay till me come back and cook some food or something.
What kind of food? Open the door, Falan.
Me alone we got today when me come back, me tell you how we go. Yeah, follow back and me go so far. You say now work out so.
Me no want you tell me that. Me want to come to myself.
Cook some food till me come back. Watch him through the window.
Nothing. Open the door.
Pick out the window one when I come out if I can't come up, but me I lock the door, Yannick. Yannick, tap me the
One stay. Open the door.
Me a go and left you myself. See it there, Yannick. See it there.
Hey, go and like say you alone want to go look man. Me no want to go look man too.
That a man too. First day today, I make me go up on the road and see what I go on.
But for me phone to me, Falan, please.
You see it, you're still not ready yet.
Go on, man, go on.
Me fi go on. You think you can trick me?
Me not trick you, just take up my phone.
After you want me go in there, put one chair and block the door.
You know, see me, I wait for
Now,
you.
pick up the key. Me not trust us here in the cylinder, right? That's so me I said, can't take up the Yannick. Yannick! You're very unfair. Like, see your phone here. Run, go on. Run, go on, Yannick. Olympics, say run, go on. See your phone here.
Alright, Falan, give me my phone.
You see how quick you stop. See your phone.
Me not run off.
You will run, girl. Come
Alright,
on.
let me walk together.
Girl, let me
Then
walk
give me
in.
my phone, na, Falan.
You want to run. Me and you walk. Step by step. Come on.
Nah. Falan, give me my phone, na,
Yes,
Falan.
step run, girl.
Nah, run.
This man a work in the car na late na. I first day upon the job na.
Babes. Up on your work, you know. Babe. Babes. Now go work here. You hear me? Alright.
What can I go on, man? Man, I look 1 and 2 day work. Where go on? Gonna stop man food. I'm glad you're gone.
What go on?
Yeah man, yo, you know time.
Boy, rough me, I tell everybody, rough.
Yo, right now I first day I'm late brother. Hurry up man,
You
hurry
know.
up.
So you go do what?
Yeah man, I'm there, I take it easy.
Makes sense.
So we are. Me don't want to see that one day, no. That one day.
Come on, Falan, around us on you.
Jesus! Watch out!
How about this?
I could have what is too. What a coincidence!
Where they go, Brittany?
Oh my
Wait a
God!
minute, I'm gonna look for my man.
Which man?
You don't even know about that.
I must want invincible one.
Where only they go?
What you mean where we they go? We are going about with business.
We got invited somewhere.
Come on,
I get
Falan. Today you pop up again. One
Danny,
minute.
walk go on with him, walk
Me
go
not
on.
walk with her. Me
Hey.
not walk with her.
Walk go
I'm
on.
gonna call all of them.
Come on.
I have
Come
come back
from
with the
yourself.
same thing again.
This Mr. Shit,
sir.
my girl.
You don't pop up, sir. You popcorn. Don't pop up, no man. Jesus. Yeah, this Mr. was born with it.
Follow the
The
leader.
Lord is my shepherd, I shall want.
I shall
Today.
want.
Look here, on a stopping nice. Suppose the man come, you know what the man feel say, well, we are hooligan.
Now
I
what
shall
are we,
hooligan.
Brittany?
And you are the problem. You are the problem.
There's
Fire
one
from
to
ya.
know
Last week
one.
you come, this week you come again.
No nice never there before you come in, Brittany.
And
No nice never there before you come here, sir.
I
As a
can't see
reach.
the other curves in a way.
Come on, come to reach here,
I forgot to say. Tax.
Really, that's always have a girlfriend that you are
Yeah.
young in a Yannick. She just
Yeah.
a episode.
I the Pepsi, the Pepsi still now, but Pepsi not the man.
You know, some family call me. They check on you. They want to talk to you. One of them can call her back and we can talk to her. Or probably can go. They phone up and we can call her back.
Shut up. You know, say man have your woman already.
Let's see have you
You're
woman.
blind.
Are you blind? You know, see the man and the woman turn up there for Falan.
I want to find out.
I'm gonna check out.
You know what you're saying?
Alright, sis.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man.
Where they go?
What do you mean when me not go?
I'm a love song.
You find out and ask her.
One,
You go and go ask her.
She a come.
Make she go and go get it.
Yeah, go and ask her.
Excuse me.
How
May I
help
speak
you?
with your boyfriend, please?
How you know my boyfriend?
Video calls. You look like you have to catch everything. Everything coming. I know she does so brave. Hear her. The girl can't lick her down. 1 year we're going with the pan same speed too.
That's my brother.
Oh, your brother.
Who them out there, so?
No mind them.
I
But you said the
can't
man
do
on
video.
no video, me did that video.
Oh, come
Me
on.
did that on my phone.
She look like you didn't want to beat somebody.
So, when you say the youth are your brother?
Brother.
We are no Brit.
That's not bad.
And me and you there talk. No mind them. No excuse. Nobody
Look
talk
here.
to. Nobody not talk to no
Hello,
more.
I am your soon to be sister-in-law.
That me I talk to you about. You know what the people then feel so we are hug. You can't just chill.
That means I listen to her.
Thank you.
And
Oh
if
my
you choose that
gosh.
she would have choose like a heart.
I am a
Thank
soon
you
to
very
be
much.
sister-in-law, no matter what you want to say.
So Brittany, excuse
But I just
now.
be friend with you and done still.
Look here. Don't bother contact nice now. Because I never said
Here?
you go. Nobody talk nice now.
So I don't want him from you.
But I just be friend with you and done.
Okay, look like
Look here, them want it for money. I want love. I'm looking for love. I'm looking
Look
for
here,
money.
love not just come from.
She have her man.
More help you and your brother. Come help you and your mother house.
I'm what you want.
Want come help you and your brother and your mother house.
Yeah, I no love. They want money.
Me I go call him, so me can't handle this. Me I call him.
So,
They say me call him. No time. No tell you say they might exist. When move.
hello. Make sure you them to short out here waiting.
Me I come with
You
you.
hear me?
Brittany, come on, type people them place, man. Enough, so come
Make
back out
sure.
here, so
Tell him
people
some
them
out
yard.
here, short it out here waiting.
Alright, tell him I'm making
There's a
come.
blackie out here
Waiting
waiting.
to greet him. Tell him,
Mom, no.
tell him he's not flower but I need him.
Alright.
See my come there. I'm gonna want to see when you know. Like last time, you run away. So when you come out here, so we just grab him. Here? Make Brittany, make Me would wish if he see Britney too and he just run going back and there for him and just stay down.
I'm not seeing nobody.
I'm supposed to out this one.
Supposed to do this one? Yeah. Listen, I call me.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Darling!
How do you find where I live, man? No.
Let the man run, God.
Can't believe it.
No.
Sister, me can't say you don't help me out, you know.
I'm told you. Run down Canning, so you know say man no run.
Tell her to make me and your big friend and let me get your brother.
I want to do to him. I want to do because I know him and I'm not saying they're 2 years. Run from
Britney scared him.
Then 2 years again big store.
Britney scared him.
Call him now. When we go pick up a bit.
On too loud.
I can't do this man. I can't call police for this.
Hey, hello.
Please, no bother with the police. Please, me.
Oh my God.
You see your Britney?
I'm sorry.
Please, no bother call the police.
We have this lock a while ago, you know.
So yeah, shoot me so far.
We have this lock. We have this lock, you know.
You can't come in here, woman, please.
We have this lock, you know, Yanni.
Talk to her. Go on out and lady, please. Go on out. Like that. Go on out, Britney.
Put her out. Let out the dog on her.
Me and them are no friend.
Britney, go on out.
We don't know her. She just saw us on the road and follow back at us.
You know, lady, please. One come cut me.
No, touch me, man.
Come
on, we go look for him. Turn up your phone.
You want the woman run you out like what you run out?
Yeah, don't run with me here.
Britney, go on. You make trouble too much.
Let out the dog on her.
You see you?
Let out the dog.
Hey, got me slap me in the face and I'm fun. Go on, come out of my face.
No pair, no mind, miss. Come in.
No
pair, no mind.
Tell us if you let out the dog on her. You're not no pit bull.
You slap me in the
Britney,
face
go on
and
home.
You're not to fight here. You're not to do nothing. We defend you.
Sorry about that. You hear me?
Me we defend you.
see how you girl?
Britney, go on.
More buckle no one out here.
One man. You want the people that come.
You want to come cut the lady in her own yard, eh? You're very feisty.
Out of order.
No pair, no mind. You hear me?
So I walk it down. I walk. Me need to know what is it because me not understand.
We just see her brother and like him.
Yeah.
But that the man shot there. Everywhere
Right,
we go,
that's
she
all.
just pack up and I rush down
Just
on the
pop
man.
so.
That's why man always I run when he see me.
Jano. He's
I
scared.
come in your yard,
He
they
don't
go
know what
argue
freaking
with you.
confused.
See, you know, me like you. Your personality, everything up there, but I like you to be my sister. You see me? Oh,
You can't put in a word for me too, mama.
yes, me like you too, and but me go talk to my brother about she. You
Put in
see
a
me?
word for me, man.
Know yourself.
Man, you all talk about me
But me know,
first.
say, me know saying what I like her. You know, me know my brother, me know kind of what.
Yeah,
he
money
go
down.
after, you know.
Falan, you even come to the sister with the money argument.
Really?
Forget what I
Alright.
say, mama. Just put in a word for me, please.
No problem. Alright, later.
Alright,
You hear me?
Thank you.
I'm
Nice.
sister-in-law.
Not even get forget your name. What's your name?
Yanni. And
Falan.
Falan.
Alright, nice to meet you guys.
She had the
that
money
girl,
one.
eh?
I'm not
Let me
telling her
back
she
off
see me
on
on the road and go to because she go out and ask what go on and bigger war good happen.
Remember to talk to him for me here?
Alright, my sister-in-law. Tell Prince Charming I'll be back.
Don't follow back out with Britney.
Sister.
Where you hide
Then
from?
gone.
Yeah.
Can't bother them girl, man. I win.
So
Yes.
you want sweet?
I'm not sweet, man. And my girl and just text it for me. So I don't know what me do. Then just text it for me. So right now, you know, I just.
Me have to say stuff. Like right now, me know you're single and tea. I know what type of girl you want. So what me I say is, me see one out there we look, you know, nice. She nice. She approach me nice and stuff. I don't want them come like a hooligan.
You don't look like I see anything. You look like I stress.
No, me I tell you say one out there look. She look nice. Me like her. If
Yeah.
I not share other one. You see me? The one we name Yannick. You know her? You don't know their name.
You know what? Me and them say their name to me already, but.
The Yannick kind nice one. The Yannick one. She a nice one.
I want to laugh.
Yeah, one night black.
I know. I prefer go on the bridge.
Don't give me joke. Bridge. Go do no work with my sister-in-law. You mad? It's a girl with face this one. Me cuss her.
Yes, sir.
Yannick.
Black.
Yeah.
Yannick, that one there.
She nice man. She have a nice personality. You see, you don't really want
So
she.
you're not giving me no man.
No, I'm not give her number. You would have to go to her and ask her for
But
your
no,
number.
but I want to give my number. She will come back anytime soon.
You know, so the man always check for you. All the man shark on me cuss her about this. Me hear say she a man shark. She have her man, but yes, she a look you. Make sure you not take she a hooligan. We do not like her.
Alright. So then go on now.
Yeah, then come.
Go back in the house.
You look stressed out too. You should have asked for that long time, because I know it's not so you do.
Yeah guys, that's in the cave. I'm just giving you a view of the cave, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. Alright my people. So the cave there. So one hole around the circle carry up back to the beach. You understand? And here you can see and if no bat in the roof. Oh look. No bat in there. I just want some look of water and probably want a mermaid and one two thing there. You see me? See round the hole there, yeah, round there so. Yeah, advise them don't go around there, sir. Yeah, man, round there so look like a trouble. Alright, guys, later, you know. Yeah, man, bless up. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe.